It's actually a really interesting time in robotics now because robotics has been around for 40 years, but now it's this age of new robotics where it's becoming much more accessible to the everyday person. You have high school kids that are doing kinds of robotics that my engineers were doing 5 years ago. You could foresee a type of robot where it's not fully autonomous like the stereotypical Rosie from the Jetsons, but where you have a robot that someone could log on to, and you actually have a person that's able to work remotely and to assist somebody in the home.
Our earlier medical telepresence manipulation systems like the Da Vinci cost over $1 million today. But systems like the Taurus, developed specifically for the bomb squads, needed to be on the order of $30,000 to be affordable. Other applications in the home, like sorting pills, as you saw earlier, need to have a price point even lower than Taurus. The current generation of mobile telepresence robots can be purchased for only a couple of thousands of dollars.
There's many, many kinds of applications where we can provide expertise on location at much more economically and ways that make better business sense.
The Taurus technology can be applied across multiple applications in aerospace for maintenance on aircraft, for space, maintenance of satellites, working to collect scientific samples in hostile undersea environments, also perhaps biosafety applications where dangerous pathogens could be handled safely.
And it is very similar to what was happening back in the early 80s around computer technology, where you had hardware components and software components, and entrepreneurs were able to create new applications from these emerging technologies. They can access available technologies and software and start focusing on the application side instead of on the core technology side.